Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Millfield, a small community center stood at the heart of the neighborhood. It was an unassuming building painted in shades of blue and green, but inside it thrived with an energy that drew people from all walks of life. The community center was known far and wide for its lifelong learning programs, offering classes in everything from pottery to financial management. It was a place where anyone, regardless of age or experience, could come to learn new skills and form new connections. Sarah, a 32-year-old graphic designer, was one of Millfield's residents who sought out the community center to brush up on her skills. While she was well-versed in her profession, Sarah had always felt a lack of practical knowledge in other areas of life, and one particular class caught her eye: gardening for beginners. Her family had always told tales of being prosperous gardeners, but Sarah had never ventured into horticulture. With a curious spirit and a notebook in hand, she stepped into the class for the first time. The facilitator for the gardening class was Mr. Thompson, an elderly man with a wide-brimmed hat and a twinkle in his eye. Known for his decades of gardening expertise, Mr. Thompson loved nothing more than sharing his passion with eager learners. He greeted Sarah warmly and assured her that gardening was not as daunting as it seemed. The class began with the basics of soil composition, discussions on sunlight needs, and a taste for planting herbs. Sarah was fascinated by the intricate details she was learning about each plant. Over the weeks, she found herself increasingly drawn to the colors, scents, and textures of the flowers and herbs they worked with. Outside of the weekly classes, Sarah often found herself experimenting in her tiny backyard, turning one corner at a time into a flourishing micro-oasis. She started sharing her results with Mr. Thompson, who encouraged her every step of the way. As weeks turned into months, Sarah's garden became the talk of her neighborhood. Her basil was lush, the lavender abundant, and she even began to experiment with rare plants. What started as a class had grown into a true hobby and passion. Every now and then, Sarah would sit on her back porch amidst the riot of colors she had cultivated, sipping on herbal tea brewed from her own homegrown mint. She felt grateful for the sense of accomplishment, peace, and happiness that learning this new skill had brought her. Sarah's story was but one of many at the Millfield Community Center. There were retirees learning to paint, teenagers picking up musical instruments for the first time, and parents cooking alongside their children in culinary classes. What's magical about the center was not just the learning itself, but the social fabric it created, weaving people from different ages, backgrounds, and experiences into a tight-knit community. It's often said that learning is a lifelong journey, and the Millfield Community Center was a testament to just how empowering and enriching that journey could be.